Welcome to the Investor Impact Power Talks with Vinney Chopra, where investors gather to share their insights and strategies in the world of multifamily, real estate, and beyond. Get ready to be inspired and equipped for your next level of success.
What should we talk about? Yeah. What comes to your mind?
I sent you a couple of questions, Vinny, about brokers.
Oh,
And,
let's do it. Let's do it. Do you remember them? Yeah.
I was asking you about if we're going after C properties in A areas, then what should be the profile of a broker might be an ideal profile for us to chase? Because there's brokers out there, but sometimes I'm trying to decide which ones I should
Yeah.
chase and try to keep down the rejection rate.
Yes. Oh, you
Yeah.
hit the nail on the head. Yep. You know what? To be very truthful, what you're saying is so right. There are companies, brokers who will be dealing in A class or B plus or B or A minus assets, which are newer, of course. What are these assets? They're built in like 1990s, 95s, 2000, 2010, 15. Now, of course, A plus will be like in the last 5-10 years, right? But
Right.
if you're looking for C class, that's like 60s and 70s and maybe 78 to 82s, like there. So what I would say is that wherever you want to look into, let's just do that right now. So what will I do? I will do like this. I'll go to right there, which we are into a different page right there. Okay. And we'll say into Google, we'll say 1960 to 90 is a little bit newer. Or maybe let's say 87.
Okay.
87, multifamily, multifamily for sale. Oh, I can't spell. Multifamily, right? Family for sale. And let's say where? What, some area, tell me. What city?
I'd say, let's just say Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah, let's say Columbus. I love it. Okay, Columbus, Ohio. There we go. And let's just also space it out and put LoopNet, even though LoopNet is not that good a place, but that's okay, right there. And enter. So let's see what we found. See, Columbus, Ohio multifamily properties for sale is #1 LoopNet key. And let's see what we find, okay? Never give up. So even with this one, in Columbus, it found us 5.5 cap rate, 51 unit apartment building for about $7 million. I don't know if it's a good or bad, but what I want to tell you and everybody is what I'm really looking for is not the property. Guess what I'm looking for? Who brought it? I'm looking for Robert Lamb. I'm looking for Connect Realty. Look at that. So now what I'm going to do is this may not be what I want, right? I don't think so. Or maybe I do. I don't know. But Robert Lamb and Connect Realty, I will copy and paste it. You know, Robert Lamb, let's just go here to the next screen and then go to Google again. And then we're going to place what? Robert Lamb's name right there. And we're going to also go here and Connect Realty, right? So we're going to just copy it. I don't know if I can copy this. I try to copy so that I don't have to remember. So now I'm going to go here again, Robert Lamb, and then over here, Connect Realty. Remember, it has to be in Ohio or
Right.
Columbus because he was right there. So, okay, there we are. Are you ready? And we take this out also. We don't need it. There we go. And action. Look at that. He's right there on LinkedIn. Haha. He's in Delaware, Ohio. That's how he looks like. He's not a monster. And he's senior vice president of development at the Connect Realty, Delaware. This Arizona State he went to. Thank you, Society of Business. But what I'm interested is his website. So maybe I'll go back again right here and go to the next one where I get to the Gazette. He's got over here position of the county, economic. No, I think that was the first one, I think, the realty guy. But where is the rocket reach? Robert Lamb, email, phone number is there. Do you see the, okay, I'm looking for the realty. So let's just say, take his email name out and say connect realty only. Haha, we found it.
Okay.
Look at that in Columbus, Ohio. And now I just clicked on the website. Okay, now from there, you could see what they do and investments and projects and other stuff, probably selling all these properties, right? So the idea will be to find out if anything captures what you want to do, or if you want to go for only 15 units or 20 units. But remember, they are pretty old buildings, remember? Now, we wouldn't have really come to this if we had not put over here older buildings. Remember? Yeah. So that's the beauty of it. You got to, now this one, 4-unit apartment. Look at that. Wow. Maybe that's something you might, now guess who is the guy? Mike Mitchell. You just take his phone number, message it right there. You can even message right from your computer. And don't be afraid to give your cell number and email address. Let them get back to you. Get back. Nothing venture, nothing. But guess what? Mike might have in his pipeline some more 4-plexes and 8-plexes and 10-plexes. That's the person you want to talk to.
Okay.
So it's like starting from basics and trying to find, see, look at that incredible opportunity in south side of this, nestled between the 3.3 billion nationwide children's hospital expansion going on right now, and the new 350 million 36-acre Stevenson something, right? Incredible opportunity. Look at this brochure also here. So I try to get these and drop them in your box or Google Drive so that you can come back and look at this guy. I know his face. I can look at it. His cell number is there, office number, everything. He is ready to give us a 4-plex or 8-plex or 10-plex. And he's offering this 4-bedroom, 4-bath in a beautiful area. And it's very well kept. Look at the pictures. It's turnkey, totally turnkey, brother. Wow. And it's for how much? I just saw price. And who knows, they can sell it this high or not. Maybe less than that. An interior, pictures are there. All the things are there. New appliances, new everything. Again, that's where I'll go. Let's go back to even more. So I just took you to first one, which was over here to the, let's go back. Yeah. So I just clicked on first one. This is another property, but LoopNet, go there down. Wow. So there are even more properties there. Look at that. Maybe different oh, look at that different person. But he's selling land. I'm not interested in land. So I'm not going to worry about it. So it's just like playing with your mouse on your laptop. That's all it is. Because you will figure out very quickly what part in Columbus. Oh, look at this one, Old North. So I'll click on each one and then capture some names of brokers, what you really wanted, who might be able to give you. Look at this one here. Wow, 4-unit for much less than, is that less price or more price? I think it's more price. I don't know why. This must be a very good location or something. Oh, look at this guy over here. Keller Williams, Capital Partners. So its beauty is to find out as many brokers, but then you write them off. But you want to get started with something what you want older just like you said, C class, right? So maybe I will do one more thing in a second. We still have more time. Look at this here. It's got a lot of stuff. But then let's just go back to our right there in this place where I was writing in the Google. Let's see, Google is there? No, not there. There it is. So what I'll do here, C class. Look at that.
Class A
C,
area, Vinny.
huh?
C class A area.
Okay, C class in A area. I love it. A neighborhood. Huh? Neighborhood. Let see what I'm trying to say right now. Let the Google crawlers do the walking and find out wherever this websites, even you could even, I don't know if you could put it in parentheses, what will that do to us? But let's do that, like commas, right? Commas for sale, Columbus. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Nothing will come, but let's check. Ha! It came.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that here. It's saying this. Oh, we didn't say in A area or something. Remember C class in A neighborhood? Oh, we did say that. Let's click on this one. We already clicked on that one. Let's go on this one. Yeah. So there it is. This is a, older property. This looks like the one I had in Texas. I know Madeira. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the name now. But anyway, 4 of them, this much, they must 72 built, C class, but I don't know if it's in a good area or not. But how much do they want? Land assessment is 22,000. Is it on sale? Oh yeah, it is for sale.
Huh?
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, right there in this zip code. But how much though? Airport is nearby. Airport looks like 13 minutes, 6.9 miles. Oh, there it is, improvements. So this is it, assessment value. So again, we'll have to find out who is selling it, why they are selling it, all that stuff, right? But
Right.
not much is given there. But again, let the Google do the walking for you in any area. You put down whatever comes to your mind, and then look at that. Oh my gosh, we even found more stuff here now. See, 2-unit apartment building right there in Columbus. We have 9 units. Look at this. But all these are very nice. Oh, did we look at this one or somebody brought it up in the class? I don't know. It seems familiar to me somehow. I remember this car standing in the front. But anyway, look at this Peter guy. Message him. Let him get just messaging. You say, hey, and copy paste your message to broker, just blind. And then you just copy, paste it, and then you write their name. Dear Bill, dear Mike, dear Peter. They don't know that you are copying, pasting that message.
Right.
All people are different. So this is my hack. I send so many messages so fast, and then let's see who replies back. Then I start conversing with them. My investors also, same thing. I had, I think, 18 investors last webinar. I've got about 14, 15 investors in a day for tomorrow night's webinar on my strategic income fund. And nothing is hidden in my company. Let me show you. This is what I'm going to show you right now. See, look at this here. Shared with me, my daughter built it right there. And look at this here, webinar strategic income fund. And look at this. Monica designed it. Google Form is the best way. Register for webinar, strategic income fund. There is a link to it in our email. I can show you that too in a second. But then people come there and they say, oh, we got 2 seminars. There is Thursday. Oh my gosh. Thursday tomorrow, 5:30. Yes, I'm available. They'll go ahead and click on this and come over. Or they have Saturday at 20th, 10 a.m. PST or EST, and then click on this. It's a 506 offering, verifiable accredited investors, and then who they are. We put it definition also. And then all you have to do is give the email address, I don't know why it's not letting me do it. Why? Huh? Can you tell why, Elijah? I can't fill it out, brother. Oh, is it my internet? I wonder why. I couldn't do it before. But anyway, no problem. Maybe I change the settings. Oh, this form is collecting emails. There we go. And then
So
after each submission, later after manual.
I have a general question on this,
Oh,
on the
please,
looking for deals. So
please.
you suggest looking for reaching out to the source, the person who brought the deal, to broker. What's your experience dealing directly with the seller?
You know what? It's
It,
amazing. It's amazing, brother. If you can get to the seller, that's the best thing ever. Because then you're dealing with them, they are saving commissions, and you can find out. See, let me say something right now. Seller is here, listing broker is here, and you come over here. Now, seller is here, listing broker is there, and you are over here at a faraway place. You have a buyer broker, but this buyer broker has a distance from the listing broker. So you don't want to do that at all. I have been buying almost every deal, 40 deals I bought or built, let whatever you say, through the listing broker only, because they know the temperature of the seller is here, listing broker is here. He has met with the sellers. He knows how many people, what kind of interest they have in the property. They know how much low the seller can go for the pricing, what they will accept. They know the motivation of the seller. They know if there is a divorce or there is something happening or they are retiring or whatever. Elijah, I would say if you even bypass the broker, listing broker, and meet the seller square, that's the most ideal way to buy anything is to meet the seller and give them their terms and look at their motivation and why they are selling and find their hot button and ask them to finance the deal. Because
Mhm.
of C-class assets have so low, their base price, let's say, because they've taken depreciation over 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Now they are rock bottom. Whatever they're going to get from you, it's a big taxable event. And lots of sellers don't want to pay taxes. So you could do incremental sale. You could do master leasing. You could do where you pay some more down payment and you are able to pay them the principal back. So it's not a sale. You're giving them there are so many, 24 different ways to purchase with seller financing and getting seller involved.
All right.
When my coach, David Lindahl, gave me this little book, I will love to share with all of you. Why not? It's got 27 or 28 ways how you could finance it with zero money down and things like that. So myself, Vinney Chopra, after 14, 16 years, I'm going back to basics. I'm going back to where can I make myself more productive? How can I make better decisions? And how can I automate? How can I really do this thing? So thank you, Elijah. That's a very good question, brother. Very good question.
Mhm.
So let's see if we can wrap it up today in 1 hour. Unless there is some question, I'll stay on. No problem, please. Thanks so much to Brother Daryl for asking the question how to find brokers in C minus, C plus, all these kind of, and also maybe 10 units, 15 units, 50 units, 70 units. We could even say that in the Google search, 50 units to 100 units, C class in A neighborhoods in Columbus or in Huntsville, Alabama, or you could even say in Riverside, California, by the way, and you'll come across the brokers. Then let's start building with those brokers, because brokers will give you very bad deals first. But if you stay on with them, they are trying you out. They are not wasters. They say there are a lot of people who are wasters, and there are a lot of people who are really serious about buying real estate. So that's the key. That's the key.
That's good information, Vinny. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
I'd
you
love
so
to see
much.
Awesome.
I'd
God
love to see
you.
that thing you got from Dave Lindahl, since we both.
I will. I'll provide that. I will look into it and I'll provide that.
Yeah, I'd like that as well. Yeah,
I
please.
will get, all three of you will get it. I'll send it today. I'm going to do it right now before even my wife is expecting at 5:30, but now we are doing 1 hour only, very crisp and clear. Less is more. Less is more. Thank you so much. And I'll
Alrighty.
see you next week.
That's
Again,
good generosity, Vinny.
back. Please come back.
All
Yeah.
right.
See you at the fun Zoom.
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 5:30. Tomorrow, 5:30.
Alrighty.
Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's all for this episode of the Investor Impact. Stay tuned for the next episode and don't miss out on the opportunity to learn and grow alongside this powerful inner circle.